Hey guys, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. So let me know in the comment section first of all that how are your preparations going on for your upcoming attempt. I hope it is going really good. So this video is regarding the CA new course. There is a lot of buzz going around with the CA new course. And as per the latest updates, I'm not saying the official updates. These are not the official updates or official word from ICI. But as per the latest update, it is that the MCA has asked ICI to change a few things related to the articleship training, right? So there is a lot of buzz going around, sir. MCA has rejected the new course. No, MCA has not rejected the new course. Please correct this thing. MCA has not rejected the course. MCA has asked for a few changes. A few changes, not if only one change they are asking for. What ICAI recommended was 2 years of articleship and 1 year of post-qualification training. And the MCA is asking the ICAI to remove that 1 year post-qualification training. That's it. They're saying that either the articleship should be for 2 years or it should be made for 3 years, right? But there should be no post-qualification training for whatever the reasons are. I'm not going into the reasons whether it is right or wrong, right? So that is the only change. Now the next question is, sir, can we expect the new course in May 2024 or it will be delayed? For that, I will say we will have to wait for the official notification. But my point of view is there are high chances that it may come from May 2024 because no major changes are being recommended by MCA. This is only one point. It will get, changed or whatever I can say considered by the ICI within a month or two, right? And sent for again sent to the MCA for consideration, and it will get the approval very fast now. It is not going to get too much delayed, and ICI is fully prepared with a lot of things, right? So there are high chances that the new course might come for May 2024, but still, most important thing is that your preparations should continue for May 2000. If you are preparing for May 2024, sir, what should we do? See, you should start with the subjects where you are not expecting too many changes. For example, our subject costing is there. We are not expecting too many changes, sir. The syllabus is almost same. Financial management, the syllabus is almost same. SM, the syllabus is going to be almost same, right? Audit is going to be there. The major part will be same in the audit also, right? So you should start with these subjects. At least your studies should not stop, please, right? Whatever the procedures are, whatever the official procedures are, they will continue to happen. For that, you cannot stop your studies. Keep studying, even if you are preparing for May 2024. Sir, costing lectures already available. The live batch just completed in Hindi, and even the English lectures are available, which are applicable for May 24, even if the new course is applicable, right? Because costing syllabus is not going to change, sir, not going to change, right? The handbooks are also available, other courses are also available. So at least you can complete those subjects where we are not expecting too many changes in the new course, right? So there is nothing to worry as such. Even if the new course comes into play in May 2024, even then you are not worried. You are half prepared for that, right? You will be at an advantage. If you start your preparations right now, you will be at a big advantage. So why not take this step? Take this first step towards the advantage, isn't it? So that was a small information that I wanted to share with all of you. And if you are new to the channel, I'll tell you that this is the channel KSJ Teaching, where you are getting the complete courses free of cost on YouTube: cost accounting, financial management, economics or finance, available in Hindi and English. And the handbooks are available from our website ksjteaching.org. Download our mobile app also, KSJ Teaching. All the links are given in the video description. Go check it out, guys. And you are getting the quality content at the most affordable prices. So how can you miss to subscribe this channel? Subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get all the future notifications. All the best. God bless you all.